and welcome back to my classes Inspired with Anushka. Students, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Guys, we are studying about only the cell. My constant videos are coming one by one about the different topics related to the biology. So now I am going to provide you all a very important topic of the biology, that is called the DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. Yes, students, this is a very important topic for your career when you are studying with the science, when you are dealing with the biology and you are taking this subject for your higher studies. Then this topic will again and again will come in your learning period for getting more and more knowledge about this topic. But the basic things for this topic, for the basic discoveries which has been taken for this topic, that was very important for all the competitive exams, all of your boards exams, and up to the higher studies also. These basic terms are very important for you. So now I am going to provide you all today the knowledge of DNA in short. You can say it, concise knowledge of DNA. Okay, it means it's not very elaborated. It will be a very short, and in the less time you can learn everything about the DNA. So firstly, while studying this, we must have to know that where it is present. So DNA is present in the center of all the cells, and in some cell organelles also it is present, just like in the mitochondria and ribosomes. So let's start about the deoxyribonucleic acids. So DNA is a polynucleotides, and the almost amount of it's confined in the nucleus of the cell, but a very small amount of it is also present in the mitochondria and the green plastids. So let's see about the size of the cell. This is all about the occurrence of the cell, that where inside the cell or where inside the body it occurs. So friends, let's talk about the size of the DNA. In 1953, Watson and Crick proposed a comprehensive double helical model. Both strands of the double helix are in the opposite parallel direction, and each helix has diameter of nearly 20 angstrom. Thus, the structure of DNA is double helix. Okay friends, do you understand it or not? Friends, the size of the DNA is almost how much long it can be, but the difference between the two helical is of 20 angstrom, and the difference between the two base pairs is of 10 angstrom. Please mind it. So now the term is for the polynucleotides. Chain of DNA is made up of what? So it is made up of the nucleotides. Nucleotides are the monomers that are the basic part from which the DNA is made of. So nucleotides are made up with what? Nucleosides and phosphate. Phosphate, it means phosphate sugar. So friends, please kindly pay your attention. It's very important to understand that what parts are present in the DNA. So DNA monomers, it means the nucleotides includes nucleosides and phosphate. Again, nucleosides is made up of sugar and base pairs. What? Sugar and base pairs. Sugar, phosphate sugar होता है, और base pairs are again divided into purine and pyrimidines. Purine में आते हैं कौन कौन से? एडनिन और गोयानिन, और pyrimidine में आते हैं कौन से? थाइमीन और साइटोसिन. सो एडनिन हमेशा पेयर बनाता है किसके साथ? थाइमीन के साथ, और साइटोसिन हमेशा पेयर बनाते हैं गुआनिन के साथ. तो जब भी एडेनिन और थाइमिन जुड़ते हैं तो डबल बॉन्ड के साथ जुड़ेंगे, और साइटोसिन और गुआनिन जब भी जुड़ते हैं तो ट्रिपल बॉन्ड के साथ एक दूसरे से कनेक्ट होते हैं. सो एडेनिन, थाइमिन, साइटोसिन, गुआनिन, दीज आर द बेस पेयर्स. And one thing is very important, that in 1962 J.D. Watson is awarded for the Nobel Prize for finding the double helical model of the DNA. Now the term and the time is for knowing the work of the DNA, that what works the DNA perform. So DNA is a basic hereditary material, we all know it. So DNA controls or regulates all the genetic activities, and its basic unit is gene. It also regulates the protein synthesis. So here is all about the DNA. Once again we can recall that what DNA is. So almost DNA is found to be in the nucleus of the cell. Deoxyribose sugar is found in the DNA. In DNA, base adenine, guanine, thymine and cytosine are present, and the basic unit of DNA is gene, and it is made up of nucleosides and phosphate sugars. Nucleosides are divided into sugar and base pairs. The base pairs which are present already we have discussed: adenine, thymine, cytosine, guanine. Students, this is only the base of this topic. I think by knowing these things you can understand the whole thing about the DNA. It is nothing. जब भी आप कभी भी पढ़ोगे, कहीं भी पढ़ोगे, तो इसी का इलाबोरेट फॉर्म आपको मिलेगा. इससे एक्स्ट्रा कोई नॉलेज की बात नहीं होगी. और अगर आप इसको अपने हायर स्टडीज़ के लिए यूज करना चाहते हैं तो हाँ, इसमें कुछ ना कुछ नए एडिशन आते रहते हैं. कुछ नई साइंटिफिक थ्योरीज़ हैं. पहले से कौन कौन सी थ्योरीज़ थी जिसने डीएनए के बारे में जब पहली बार खोजा गया, तो फिर कौन सी थ्योरीज़, कौन सी प्रैक्टिकल्स यूज़ किया गया था इसे सर्च करने के लिए, कहाँ पे इसे देखा गया. सो यू विल इन द इलाबोरेट वे यू विल रीड अबाउट दिस. सो बेस में बस यही रहेगा. ओरिजिनली जो डीएनए के बारे में आज भी हम जानते हैं, या फिर आप कंपटीशन के लिए भी पढ़ोगे, तो you just want this much knowledge. So thank you so much for watching me till the end of the video. I think this video has taught you anything new, and thank you so much for giving me such a attention and concern. Thank you.